Hopefully it wasn't fragile. What's up, everybody? Today's been kind of a long day at work, but I did get home and I found a nice package waiting for me. I'm super excited about getting this package because I'm going to Thailand here pretty soon, and I'm wanting to make the most out of my footage. And one of the best ways to make the most out of your footage is to be able to get clean, smooth B-roll shots. There are many ways that you can do clean B-roll shots, nice and smooth footage. But one of the best ways is to get yourself a gimbal. Usually about 2 to 3 axes help stabilize your footage. So that way you can do a lot of movements, you can move around, you can pan, you could dip and dive. Pretty excited to get this open. Let's see what's inside. So I am a little bit disappointed in the packaging here. The box did get kind of smushed, and there was very limited anything to keep this box from bouncing around. But let's check it out. We have the G5 Feiyutech water resistant gimbal for the Gopro Heroes 4, 5, and 6. Supposed to be a very affordable gimbal. Now if you're trying to gain the smoothest footage you possibly can get, the G5 gimbal is definitely going to help you do that. Alright, so the initial packaging of this is actually pretty good. Seems to have like a nice foam insert. Everything's placed in there really well, so even though FedEx did manage to smush my box a little bit, I'm not worried that anything's broken. First you have this little envelope here. Looks like it has some instructions, a little bit of warranty card there. We have a metal weight. I'm assuming this is to help balance the gimbal, so when you put your camera on there, because the Hero 4, the Hero 5, and the Hero 6 are all different weights. And here we have a little black box. I'm going to assume it's got battery, some cables, some adapters, stuff like that. And last but not least, we have the actual gimbal. Comes in a nice thick bag. It's got an eyelet on the back here. Maybe you can connect a strap to it. That way you can carry it with you. Alright, inside the bag we have the actual gimbal. You can see it rotates on 3 separate axes. But that helps keep your footage as smooth as possible. No matter how you move this camera, the gimbal is going to keep your GoPro as steady as possible as you move around and get really good footage. On the bottom here, you can actually attach extension poles, which B&H was nice enough to send me one for free. So you can get some really good shots and almost mimic like a crane. You can come down from up high, down low. You can do all kind of different things, and you can just make this so versatile. So I'm really excited to get this thing charged up and test out the footage. Alright guys, what's up? So I'm here in New Orleans, Louisiana. My Supra blew up, so I needed to buy a new car. So I came out here to buy that new car. It's a BMW 325 Ci. So I wanted to use that as an opportunity to go ahead and use that gimbal, try to get some cinematic shots and see what's up.